attempt to. Sammy messed it up last time. So again, we're at the outdoor pursuit centre in Leicester. We're going out in the canoes, as you can see.
And we've invited Graham and me along.
There's a lot of other people here. We're going out doing some lure picking, magnet fishing off the canoes. So yes, and I apologise for the glare. I had a fresh trim today. So see you all later. Let's get dipping.
Bit of metal, couple of rebar. So I need to get on one of these.
Get on one of these.
Go!
Gary, look at his back. Steve, done that. Right, careful not to leak water. Right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's caught on a load of bags. Oh, look at my legs. Oh, cool.
Alright, just hang it straight over.
I've got soaked legs.
I've already got loads of scaffolds.
Get it onto the side. Yeah, but you're going to get this one down as well.
Yeah,
Put it on the side. Put it into a boat.
Remember to call the thingy for this.
Just drop it to the bottom. I can start on top of it then. Whoops, I'm going to break the wood.
Oh, careful!
Got it. Hold on, Colin.
You have to drop it under.
Wait, hold it.
Do you mind being in the... It's their YouTube thing. Yeah? Thought I'd ask first before it actually goes on.
I posted something for the river clean as well on YouTube.
Ah, awesome.
Yeah.
Yes.
Paddling and you're falling, you get stuck, the kids stuck on
Just thought
We did. Yeah. Hey.
I've got me rope all the way.
Hold on, I'm on something. What is that? Oh, now I've lost it because.
I've got a thing because
Although we do need to drain some of that water out the back because it's now look at your seat. Where's that box I pulled out?
Oh, the safety splash box thing. Colin, do you want this? Yeah, in the outside pack. Oh!
That's when Cal was this side paddling and getting water everywhere. Yeah, Cal, grab the grapple.
We need to they push it away a bit.
So we've got, what is it, big metal fence?
Right, hold on to it, hold on to it. Hook, no, hook, it's big though. Right, hook it, grab it. Hook it over the front. Another one as well over there.
Well, we'll get both of them.
Yeah, we should take this strap one person and get some money for this.
Oh, wow.
What's that?
Over here.
Isaac? Huh? Why do you wear brand new white socks?
I don't know. My doesn't work.
We've got to move up. Right, having a dip and just pulled out a really old tree saw. What scraper?
Plate in a bag.
Steve,
Very strange.
come here to the bank, I need to get my hook off. It's moving. I think it's that motorbike.
Motorbike?
Watch it,
You want a motorbike?
Go back. You've got to get out of the
Not allowed to be wearing this.
moment when we get out and have to walk back.
Swans are loving you guys here, aren't they?
Right, so
Ashed me.
Carl's gone and got his grapple stuck. There he is, look, doing the walk of shame. He's had to call Daddy to help.
No, I've had Isaac as well.
So Daddy's had to come and help him save his grapple.
Has he got it off though? Is it off?
Ed.
Cal, you need to get your
I don't like it.
life jacket on. Oh, baby, go!
Hey, no. Whoa.
Whoa! Did anyone bring food? I'm really hungry now. I had lunch at Tesco as well. We just go.
Oh,
Done as if I planned it.
yeah, nearly went in.
About 2 metres down.
I ain't going in.
You just have to cut your rope.
Cut your rope, I'll come back tomorrow and get it out. So do you know which canoe it was? The safe on it.
Boys and girls who go out magnet fishing with their parents. There are important lessons to be learned. One of these things is your parents do know what they're talking about. So when they give you sensible advice like, don't take your grappling hook magnet fishing with you, it's for a reason. And Callum, yes, has lost his grappling hook. We have had to cut the rope. Wait,
Which you laugh when I lost mine.
Steve lost his because he was rubbish at tying knots and rubbish rope. This one didn't listen. Daddy's always right. Anyway,
Right, a mega haul. I mean, everybody's had a great day today.
yes,
Not
To be
just the
fair-
magnet fishers.
not everybody. Megan has done nothing. I have done all the rowing.
I had to evacuate our boat because it sank.
Yes, Steve put on too much weight.
Yeah, Steve.
No, it's because we pulled a safe on and that overloaded it.
No, the
Excuses.
safe was on and then Steve got on the boat. Bye.
Hey.
So, there's some Kevin Isaac. Oh, by the way, we do have guests.
Yes.
Wave Neve.
They didn't actually come on the boat in the end, but they've done a fab job cleaning up at the front here.
Yes. So, it's been a lovely day.
Right, we'll let Cal do his little bit.
Yes, do your little bit. No,
Yeah, to the camera.
Yes, no, it's I will listen to my dad in future. That's the first bit.
Right, come on, Cal, get your bit
Right,
done.
guys, please like and hit that thumbs up button down below. Share this video by clicking the share button. Comment down below, put hashtag shouts out. Don't forget to put hashtag Team Kevin, hashtag Big Steve, hashtag The Esper, hashtag Pop Tony John Camera. Yeah.
Oh,
Hashtag Isaac.
Magnetic Megan, is it not?
Hashtag Truffle Shuffle Callum.
Yes. Hashtag Marvelous Magnetic Megan. Hashtag Right, must
Hashtag grappling
hit.
hook.
Yeah, we should just have that hashtag grapple fail.
Isaac, you got anything to say? No.
Most importantly, hit that
Isaac
big
is a
red
man
subscribe
of
button,
few
turn on
words,
post notifications.
but his expressions say
Oh,
it
look,
all.
he's blushing.
He's like, he smiled.
Bye.
Bye, Isaac. Wave bye, Isaac.